Guys, so today I'll be doing a review for Donut Worry Slimes, and to start off it came in this really cute gold foil bubble envelope, and let's go ahead and take a look. Each slime is wrapped in pink tissue paper, and I actually smell the slime, so I was afraid that it leaked, but it looks like nothing leaked, so that's good. Let's see. We have a bag of borax. We have some extras. This is Milkita Honeydew Shake Candy, and it looks like a strawberry candy. And this is their information. Donut Worry Slime. You can find them on Etsy. I'll link it in the description. But yeah, it's really cute. Alright, so here are the two slimes. Looks like we have two small ones and one large one. And because of the weather, I might have to reactivate it. It might have melted. One right here is called Peach Gummy. I really like the color, so let's see, I'm guessing I will have to reactivate it, but we'll see. Yeah, looks like it needs some reactivating. So this one is called Peach Gummy, and it definitely smells like peach gummies. It smells so nice. I love the color, and I like how the flown beads is like the perfect amount. It's not like too much to where they start falling out. It's a really good amount, and I think I overactivated it a little bit, so it's not as clear as it was earlier, but it's really clicky and it's really nice and stretchy, and the scent is probably one of my favorite scents ever. So yeah, this one is awesome. So this one is called Cola Slushy, and let's see. Yeah, I think this will need some reactivating as well. So it looks like it's those slushy jelly slimes. Actually, maybe it won't need to be reactivated. Let's see. Alrighty, so this one came with that really cute Coca-Cola charm. It's one of the cutest I've seen, so I love that. And this is a jelly slime, but it's actually super clicky, and I like how it doesn't leave residue on your hand. So I love the scent of this as well. It smells exactly like Coca-Cola, and it's very nice and clicky. I may have to reactivate it a little bit. But yeah, overall, this one is great as well. looks like this one did leak a little bit. This is called Super Gloss, maybe Lavender Super Gloss. But yeah, it looks like it might have cracked, which is kind of expected sometimes when they use like soft bubble envelopes instead of a box, but we'll see how this goes. Let's open it up. Alright, so this one actually is surprisingly not sticky at all. The name serves it justice. It is so glossy. My only thing is it's not that smooth. You can probably see kind of little bumps here and there. But it definitely is super glossy and I love the color. The scent, I'm not really sure if it's supposed to be lavender. I don't really smell lavender just yet. It kind of smells like paint. But I love how thick and glossy this slime is. It's definitely very, very glossy and very holdable and lots of bubble pops. Yeah, I just think this is like a really nice classic slime to have. A nice thick, glossy slime. So yeah, I would definitely check out this one. So yeah, overall, I really like their slimes. I think I would enjoy this one a little more if it maybe was mixed a little better, or if the scent was more obvious, because I don't really smell lavender, but I do kind of smell paint. I'm not really sure where that's coming from. But yeah, I think my favorite is this one, this peach gummy, because it smells really nice like peach gummies, and it's also a very holdable and fun slime with like the perfect amount of foam beads, and this one came with a very cute charm. So yeah, definitely check them out. They are DonutWorrySlime, and I'll link their Etsy in the description. Thanks for watching.